Jump in bed and cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Hello, my dear crafters. So one more project for our craft fair and Christmas gift series 2024. Today we're doing tea bags. So I have a beautiful project for you. I have a Velcro dot here, and when we open up, this is what we have. This is going to be, you won't believe how fast we're going to make this, because we're going to use a die set. A great die set, very inexpensive, and you see how quick you can make and great to mass produce. So you can use it either to gift your friends or for craft fair. I am preparing at least 20 for my craft fair using this. You can fit either two tea bags, very sturdy because I use two papers here. So very sturdy, it will last, and they can put it in their bags and carry it around, either two bags, or if you want just one bag and a little card here. It's really up to you. So that's another example. And this is the one we're making together today. Again, the Velcro, I open up, I have two. I still haven't bought my Christmas themed tea bags, but I think I'm going to put some red ones here just for contrast purposes. But the die is really fantastic. It cuts everything, including this. I'm going to show you next the die set. Very inexpensive, great for mass producing, easy to make, and that's what we're going to do now. So I have all the pieces cut already. Let me just quickly run you through the whole die set. Here's what it looks like. We have the outline. This is the biggest part, and then you have these two pieces to decorate. See, you have the pouch and then the option to decorate, and also inside for these two pockets here. This is what you need. So that's the pocket and that's the decoration. And then we have, it also comes in the die, this cute gift here. It's just some decorating options here. We have this, very nice to use on your Christmas projects. And you have a few words like tea time, you have hugs and kisses, you have enjoy. Yeah, so these three. So you have enjoy, hugs and kisses, and tea time. So a very good die set that you can use, you know, outside of this, you can use those words in cards and things like that. So I'm just going to move it around. I'll have the link to the die, and now let's just put it together. Very easy, and that's what I love about it. I usually run both of these at once, so we don't have to waste any time. Very easy. We're just going to decorate the two parts here. So you put some glue, and this is of course optional, but it does make a difference. I wouldn't make any of these without the option of, you know, these decoration pieces here, because they do make it pop. So there's the front. Gonna do the back now. I'm using the same paper, and this is actually great. I usually do the background solid color, and that's when you use your beautiful pattern paper to decorate, because I think that's at least for me, that's what works best. And I also used just this tiny part here to cut. You don't have to do that. It's just to make it a little, you know, harder and more sturdy. And it also adds decoration, so that's always good. So I'm just gonna add that there, and it's all matching now. So we have the base here, and I forgot to, I should have done all the, I usually do the, let me just pull it here, the scoring lines, because it does cut the scoring lines for you. Not cut, but it scores for you. You have two scoring lines here internally. It's easier to do it before you decorate, and but I forgot, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. I do see the scoring line right there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna press it down, and then with my bond folder, press it. So you have the sides here, you have enough space here for both tea bags. So let's do that. And then inside, very easy again. Again, you do have a scoring line. It comes with a scoring line here. So you just kind of look at it where it is, press it down. I like that it comes with the scoring line because it is a little separated from the stitching. You want to make sure that you don't lose the stitching. So there you go. It actually adds like a border. See, the stitching stays here and you have a border. So there you go. We're done with this. We're just going to decorate it. It's very, very easy. Great to use your scraps. So there's one here to the right side. I'm going to zoom in. It's a little distant, so it's better for you to see this way. There you go. So we're going to just put some glue here, especially on the corners here. I like to add on the edge. Put it in place. Make sure that it's matching here, especially on the right side, that it doesn't go over the border. And then just use your, very easy to put together, isn't it? So that's one. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to first press on the scoring line, because it becomes harder when you put the paper on it, so you better do it before. So there you go. All good? Yeah. So again, I'm going to decorate it. You can use that beautiful gift. The gift die is great for cards as well, if you're making your own cards this year. But I believe most of us are paper crafters. I am going to use, I have a kit that I already showed you, Spellbinders kit. It's the best that I saw this year. They really do a great job. So I bought it and it's already arrived, and I'm going to have my sisters come and we're going to make our cards. So there you go. So we're done with the inside. See? We're done here. And see how I added this? You don't have to, but you can. And the other thing, guys, that I didn't show here, the die comes, this is actually supposed, let me just fold this too. This is supposed to fold here, and there is a small die that cuts a slit here, and you just press it in, you just fold it in, but I kind of lost it. So I'm going to use, and I like to use these Velcro mini dots anyway, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to just put the dot here. So I'll put it right there. You get the other side right on top. That's the best way to do it. And I'm going to remove the plastic. So you have the glue right there. But before I do that, I'm going to put the two tea bags. You can put two tea bags and you can have like a card here, mini card, and a tea bag. Whatever, it depends on if you're going to sell it or if you're going to gift it. So there you go. And now that I have at the right height, I'm just going to press this down to make sure that it's there. See both? There you go. So I use Velcro dots, but the die does come with a slit that just cuts a space here that you can just fold it in. But I like to use the Velcro dots. Now all we're going to do, I want to use my tea time to decorate inside. That comes with the die. So we're going to do that. I used in all of them. I'm going to make quite a few of these for my next craft fair. And the great thing is whatever is left over always becomes kits. I create kits with leftover craft fair products and I give it to my friends. And of course I usually make some crochet things for them as well. Let me move this around and we're kind of done. The last thing I want to do is I'm just going to add this. It is the season just to decorate. Use your ephemera, your stamps. I'm just going to add this to the front. I'm going to take this out just so I can press it and really lay it flat. And there you go. We're done. Easy, huh? Easy, quick, great die to have, and very inexpensive. So I always try to bring you guys things that will not break the bank. So there you go. We have one. This is our project for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying my craft fair series. We're going to have a lot of food options like teas, hot chocolate. We're going to have what else? Oh, some chocolate, of course. I can't remember the rest, but yeah, oh, instant coffee. We're going to have instant coffee this year. So there you are. I hope you enjoyed this. And do use the link below for the die, okay? Thank you so much, and you have a great day.